how's it going? Lori here on Vancouver Island. If you are new to my channel, welcome. And if you're coming back, welcome back, and thank you for being here. Today I'm in the studio, and if you've been watching my channel for any length of time, then you know that I have tried to make trivets out of pieces of wood that we had laying around here, and I have poured paint on them. Let me grab one. I've poured paint on them. There's one of them, and this one I finished with resin. And I've been trying to make them heat proof, and I've tried several things, and in this video I'm going to try something new, and let's keep our fingers crossed and hope that it works. So come along and join me while we try to make things heat proof, because oh my gosh, what is the most useless thing you can have in your kitchen? A trivet that you can't put something hot on. So oh my gosh, if I can't find something to make these things heat-proof, I'm going to have a ton of painted wood that has no use at all. So, all right, let's try. Let's see what happens. So we're trying again to make our trivets, my trivets, heat-proof. So this time I have this engine enamel, Rust-Oleum. Come on, focus. It's supposed to be good to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. So I should be able to put a pot on it, I would think, out of the stove or something. Anyway, we're going to give it a try. All right, my friends, it is the moment of truth. It's been, I don't know, I guess about 10 days. It said that I had to cure it for at least a week, and it's been about 10 days since I actually sprayed this with that engine spray that's supposed to be good to 500 degrees. So over here, I have a pot of boiling water, and I'm going to take it and put it on my trivet. Oops, I'm going to turn my stove off. And okay, so I'm going to try lifting it up right away. Look at that, it's already stuck. Dang it! Gosh dang it! Oh, that's irritating. So I pulled this one out to see. The other one, the pink one back there, that's actually got a coat of resin on it underneath the stuff. And so I wondered if that might make a difference, but it's still sticking. Oh! That came off pretty easily, but still, it's stuck. And so what good is a trivet that your hot pans stick to? So again, I'm disappointed, and I'm not finding anything that's making my trivets heat-proof. So I guess it's back to the drawing board. Maybe I'll try putting on a few more coats of this and see if it makes a difference. Maybe I'll try applying it just to some raw wood to see if that makes a difference. I don't know. If you have any ideas on how I can, any kind of a coating that I can use to make these painted pieces of wood heat-proof, please let me know. Thank you. And thank you for watching today, guys. I really do appreciate your time. I'm not sure when my next video on making things heat-proof will come up, but I will keep trying, because otherwise I am stuck with a whole lot of pieces of wood that have paint on them, and I don't know what I'm going to do with them. So, anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day. Bye now.